Okay, this video is to help you go over Mishnah Brachot 4.1. So you should open up your Gemara Brura to Mishnah 4.1 and just compare what you did with what I'm doing, and feel free to stop the video anytime that you need to adjust things. As I mentioned in class several times, you guys did really a remarkable job doing this Mishnah. And there's just a couple things at the end, at the bottom of the Mishnah, that we'll go over to make sure that everybody has it correctly. So just to go quickly, Tfilat HaShachar, the Tfilah of the morning, this is the first case, is Ad Chatzot, can be said until midday. This is the din, according to the Tanna Kama. Now Rabbi Yehuda speaks, Rabbi Yehuda Omer, Ad Arba Sha'ot. He says the din is that you can say it until the 4th hour. Now we have a different case. Tfilat HaMincha, the Tfilah of the afternoon. The Tanna Kama says Ad Erev, is until the evening, till sundown. Rabbi Yehuda Omer, Rabbi Yehuda disagrees, and he says Ad Plaga Mincha, it can only be said till a time called Plaga Mincha, which is half a Mincha, and again we'll be discussing what that time means. It's also relevant to Hanukkah, we'll discuss soon. The next case in the Mishnah is Tfilat HaErev, the Tfilah of the night. So the din is Ein La Keva, it is not said, meaning that you can say it all night, and here there's no disagreement. Everybody agrees. Rabbi Yehuda doesn't speak, meaning that he agrees with this din. Okay, this is where there was a little bit of a uncertainty. The Shel Musafin is a case, because now we're talking about the Tfilah that is the additional Tfilah for Shabbat, Rosh Chodesh, and the holidays. So this is a separate case. And this is the din. The din is that the Tfilah of Musaf can be said Kol Hayom. So we're going to connect this din to this case. Then Rabbi Yehuda speaks. Rabbi Yehuda disagrees with the Tanna Kama, and he says that it's Ad Sheva Shaot, that can only be said till the 7th hour. And so this Rabbi Yehuda is connected to this case. That's what he's speaking about. And this din is the din that is said by Rabbi Yehuda. So just here at the end, make sure that it is done this way, because this is the proper way to do it. So once again, this is the 4th case of the Mishnah, the last case, Shel Musafin. This is the din according to the Tanna Kama, that you can say Musaf the whole day. And Rabbi Yehuda now disagrees, and he speaks. He says that Musaf can only be said until the 7th hour, but not the entire day. Now if we go to the left of your screen, we see the flow chart, and it should look like this. Here's the first case, Tfilat HaShachar. This is the din according to the Tanna Kama, and this is the Rabbi Yehuda speaks, and this is the din according to Rabbi Yehuda, that it's still the 4th hour. The second case, Tfilat HaMincha. This is the din according to the Tanna Kama. You can say Mincha until the evening. And Rabbi Yehuda disagrees, and this is his opinion, that you can say until Plaga Mincha. The third case is Tfilat HaErev, the Tfilah of the afternoon. And this is the din according to the Tanna Kama, to everybody. There's no disagreement here. The din is that you can say Arvit all night. So here, for example, you see that there's two opinions. Here there's two opinions, but here there's only one opinion. Everybody agrees. And finally, the Shel Musafin, the Tfilah of the afternoon, also we have a disagreement. Here is the Tanna Kama. He says you can say Musaf the whole day. Rabbi Yehuda speaks, and he disagrees. He says, no, it can only be said until the 7th hour. So the flow chart should look like this, and this is the proper way to do this Mishnah. Again, you guys did really an awesome job.